Hi there. Today we are to learn how to summarize or shorten any long text or paragraph online. Here I have a paragraph on a cow. I want to make it shorter, but I do not have that much time to do it. Copy the text. Come to this. Then summarizer. Paste the text. Now, with this scale, you can control the paragraph or text summary length. Suppose here. Summarize. Within a second, it has given you the result. The main keywords are taken. Now if I increase the summary size, you can see the increased words here. And finally, if I try the minimum length, then this comes. So, this is how you can simply use online tool to summarize the text or paragraph. Hope this helped you. Please be with us and also subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.